Custom built with quality and elegance, shows like brand new. 165 feet water frontage, all sports crooked lake. Enter through glass double doors to foyer west/porcelain tile. Archway to formal dining room and living room. Opens to family room west/panoramic views of water. Wet bar. Brazilian cherry hardwood flooring. Two-way gas fireplace, eating area and gourmet kitchen featuring cherry cabinets, island, stainless appliances incudes refrigerator, double ovens 2 dishwashers, gas cooktop, walk-in pantry. Prep sink. Additional built-in buffet and breakfast bar. Year-round sunroom with door to composite deck. Fabulous mud room with built-in cabinets leads to laundry room with utility sink. Second refrigerator. Main floor second primary bedroom suite and 1.2 bath complete main level. Upstairs huge primary suite with stunning views of the lake, adjacent bath and office with built-in bookshelves. 4 additional bedrooms 2 full baths walkout, features rec room west/3 RD fireplace, theater room with chairs plus 7th bedroom and full bathroom. Game room and convenient half bath. Storage room with doors to lake for lake toys. Additional storage room with built-in shelving. Sandy beach. Biggest lot and frontage in Bentwood Shores and nestled at the end of the cul-de-sac. 4-car garage and setup with additional stove and refrigerator for entertaining. Tesla charger also in garage. One owner custom built by Jim Roberts.